Hello everyone, welcome back. I am P. Chandrasekharan, English language trainer and PG assistant in English. In this class, I am going to teach you sentence pattern. It's very important, and we need to learn the sentence pattern to frame a sentence correctly. Whatever you speak, we follow one of the sentence patterns. So we need to learn all the important sentence patterns. Let me teach you the first one. SV, the first one is Kavin plays. In this sentence, Kavin is a subject, plays is a verb. What is the meaning of subject and verb? Subject is nothing but the doer of the action. So in this sentence, we talk about Kavin. Kavin is the main subject. He is the doer of the action. So what does he do? Plays. Plays is an action word. Action word refers to verb. So Kavin is doing the action of playing. So this is called subject plus verb. Subject is the doer of the action or the performer of the action. Plays is a main verb. Play, played, played. Present tense, past tense, past participle. I have added S with this verb because it's a simple present tense, and Kavin is a third person singular. Therefore, S is added with the verb. This is SV pattern. The cat killed a rat. So here, the cat subject, killed verb, a rat is object. SVO pattern. What's the meaning of object? Object, the answers the questions whom or what. If you ask the question whom or what, the reply can be an object. You see, the cat killed. What did the cat kill? A rat. Rat is an object. SVO pattern. This is called as a subject verb object. Next one. Deepak sings sweetly. So I have already explained you the meaning of subject. Subject is the doer of the action. So here, sings is a verb. It is an action word. Sweetly is adjunct or adverb. In the adverb, we have three types: adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time. This is called as a sweetly is adverb. Adverb of manner. Adverb of manner answers the question how. How does Deepak sing? He sings sweetly. Most of the adverbs of manner ends with ly. Sweetly, fluently, quickly. They are formed from adjectives. By adding ly with adjectives, we can have adverbs of manner. The next one, Rajkumar presented me a pen. This is indirect object and direct object. Rajkumar subject, presented verb, me indirect object. If you ask the question whom, you will get an answer. The answer is called indirect object. What did Rajkumar present me? A pen. A pen is a direct object. Direct object answers the question what. So I am a student. Here I subject, am is verb, that is be verb or to be verb. Here student is a complement. What is the meaning of complement? Complement is a word which is used for completing a sentence. It gives you a complete meaning. The completing part is called as a complement. Complement is a word which helps us to complete a sentence. If we stop with this am, it does not make any sense. So something is required to complete the sentence in a meaningful way. So student is a complement. After we have used this word complement, we can have the full meaning. The sentence will give complete sense. This is called as a complement. Then Senthil speaks English fluently. Here SVOA. Senthil is the subject, speaks is a verb, English is the object, fluently is an adverb of manner. So these are all called as a sentence pattern. I have explained you only just 3 sentence patterns. There are still a few more sentence patterns, and I will teach you them in the next class. So first you have to understand subject, verb, object, adverb, complement. And another one, they made him captain. So here the made him captain, SVOC. This is called as a complement, object complement. So complement is a word which is used for completing a sentence. The completing part is called as a complement. Before you are going to learn the sentence pattern, you need to know the important parts like the subject, verb, object, adverb, complement. Once you have learned all these things thoroughly, then it will be very easy for you to identify the sentence pattern. It's very important in the examination, and so I want you to practice it and do a lot of exercises. Thank you so much.